Welcome back, guys. It's me and Justin. It is bright and early, 3 o'clock in the morning. We are headed to Manistee to go after some kings. Me and Flap got a charter, so he invited me along. So hopefully we can get some in the boat today.
Let's go.
It's supposed to be a nice day, and I'm looking forward to it. So I'll take you guys along for the ride. I'll see you guys up at the water.
Eric with a really nice fish on. As you can see, the sunrise is coming up. It's starting to look gorgeous out here.
Did we hook into this 10 minutes ago?
Yeah, you're about 10 minutes in now.
He's fighting. We're out here with Netminder out of Manistee. I'll make sure I leave their link down in the description below. Got Jake and Brady. Jake's captain, he's already putting us on one. Justin already has one in the cooler. Nice one. I've been fighting this one for, it seems like, 5 hours.
We are about 20 minutes into this now. Eric's still cranking.
He's right back here at the back of the boat now. It's like he's trying to dive down backwards. I think some bitch would be out of energy by now, because I am.
Come over here a little bit, just so he doesn't want to.
Big crack, and then they water and everything.
Oh, and then it sank.
Then they don't get any good work.
Oh, boys, just landed our first, my first one, and Justin landed one, so we didn't get skunked, so that's a good thing.
Good way to start the day.
Yeah.
Double.
Heck
the sun
yeah.
that came up.
a little closer for you, bud. Let's just do it at a time. I'm okay, man.
Oh, we both got one on again, damn it, Justin.
No, this fish's gonna be a lot more spunky than the other one was, so just be careful with him on the surface.
Okay,
If you
just
start
'cause he's-
splashing around, just hold him, don't pull on him.
Okay. Just because he's hooked in the head?
No, just because he's bit so close to the boat.
Oh, okay.
So he's not tired as the other one was.
Okay, yep.
The nice thing is you kind of keep the rod straight and start walking back.
Yeah.
Nice.
Another Coho wrapping his bud. Just trying not to let him. I hate Coho because you have to retire every freaking one you catch.
Why is that? Just because they twist so much into them?
They literally just tie themselves right up in it.
Really?
I've had them come in with not even being hooked.
Really? They're just tangled right in the line?
This one's right here.
You have a different net rating.
Just kind of hold him.
No, you can just do it like normally. Like, you guys fishing.
Well, the other one fight.
No, either. Can I go up with the rod? Stop your being drink. Dude, you're just whacking some Coho right now. I love it.
Yeah. They're eating the Coho or? Yeah.
Those still are yummy.
Can I go up with the rod? Stop your being drink. Dude, you're just whacking some Coho right now. I love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Too nice, Coho. What's better eating, the Coho or? Yeah.
Those still are yummy.
Justin, what's going on over there?
He decided that he wants to go back out and the big one here.
Been reeling for 10 minutes maybe now?
Yeah, I haven't really gained any ground on him either. This thing, weight of the fish.
We got, what do we got, 6 in the boat? 5 now? Alright. Beautiful boat, guys. Great charter service.
What's that?
Horrible numbers. We got 5 in.
Think you lost it? It still looks like it's pulling unless it's that. Oh, is it?
Yep, I can get it from you. Put a white plug in my rig.
Yes. Watch that rigger. Or that high diver. We're alright now, I think. We're good.
Big lift.
Lift him up.
Nice. Damn, that's a big one too. That's a good size one.
We're just gonna have to keep retying this damn thing.
All right. Oh, look at that. And then he came right off.
Yeah,
for
I
you.
watched it.
Oh, really?
And I was just like, pooch. And I'm like, you just hit that.
Our meat bike's over now. No, so I got some emergency stash ones, but.
Oh, you actually have live bait on it?
I think a cut bait, but right
Okay.
now cut bait is like impossible to find anywhere.
Really?
Like we probably should go do something off the pier.
Well, I think we'll be getting in somewhat early today.
Yeah.
No.
How's she going, Justin?
Oh, you know what? You're gonna be really mad at me. I don't know.
Justin's still reeling his in. You think it's king?
It should be. It's nice to have you.
Yeah.
I'm not even mad because I really don't have this.
Yeah.
I think I got 3
I
pieces.
just pulled that one in. I think it was out of, well, pulled 175 foot of line. What do you think that was at? Like 30 foot deep?
No. Yeah, actually. 45.
30, 45? Okay.
Start working back a little bit.
Oh, that's a big one.
Damn!
Woo! Nice one.
I just catch one fish and not have to retie the damn plugs. There's gonna be so many kings in the river this year.
Do you have any big swivels for those divers up here?
So weird.
So what do you do? Just cut the gills?
Yeah, see they got the gills in there and they cut right across. And some guys do it right here and just make it easier, but they don't hang on the board so when you get back in.
Oh, yeah. So you just, all you cut is just the kings, or do you do all of
I
them?
do, or used to do it.
Okay.
It makes the rinsing process so much easier when you get back in.
Oh, really?
You have them out that far. Once they're finished, please stop going with the legs.
Kevin, probably I don't know what I'm doing wrong, man.
Pulling? Alright guys, it is only 8 o'clock. We got 10 in the box. We just got one on. And Justin's just dogging them right now. We can't get hardly any line in. So we're gonna keep going. We got a beautiful sunrise coming up. Keep hanging with us. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hopefully we can do this again. I'll throw their Facebook link down below as well. So.
Just let him run now.
It was a trout at first.
Big old beast.
We're just in a show. You can pop it. That's a fish, man.
Yeah.
How you feeling, Justin?
Well, he battled. He didn't want to quit here at the boat. He wanted to get the prop. He wanted to get the other lines. Yeah.
Doing everything he could to not get in the boat?
Yes, he did.
Well, get into the boat, but not in the boat?
You lost, bud. Good battle, though.
Yeah, he's good size. Big old sack of eggs, huh? Yeah. Yeah. You eat them? Oh.
That's what I use when I start doing river trips.
Okay. It's like you guys have done this a time or two. Give her a toot toot again. All right, boys and girls, whoever's watching, what a freaking blast!
I'm tired.
Yeah, that was a good workout. Just walking up the hill I was talking about.
Yeah, not even the fishing.
We got 2 coolers just packed full. And with our limit, 10, Justin caught that last one in the channel coming up in the harbor. It was a blast. I appreciate Justin for letting me go, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for next week. It's gonna be probably a smoking video. Smoking up some salmon, maybe some smoked salmon dip.
Sounds good right there.
Yeah, just some straight up smoked fish, maybe on the Blackstone. So
I'm gonna do some salmon patties.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm
That's a
gonna
good
go
idea.
on the Blackstone myself.
yeah,
Mix them up. And fry.
so appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for me, and don't forget to subscribe. I post every Tuesday. As always, shoot straight.